Now, what many YouTube creators, and especially the faceless YouTube creators, do not understand is how to actually monetize their channels. Most of them think that YouTube Partner Program, or rather what YouTube Monetization in titles behind it, is just showing of ads or in front of or at the end or in the middle of the video. While there is most common way of making money from YouTube channels, it's not the only one, and by far it's not the largest. And I can even say that done right, it can be actually the smallest, but you need it because this is truly the closest thing to the passive income that you can get on faceless YouTube channels. So let's start talking about that. So what is YouTube Partner Program? Well, after you create your channel, upload some videos, and after fulfilling some requirements, which we're going to talk about in a few seconds, you'll be given access to YouTube Partner Program. Well, if you are eligible, of course, and have not violated any rules. And with this, you will have an access to multiple different ways of monetizing your channels, not just ads. Because YouTube allows you to monetize content in multiple different ways. First, of course, is watch page ads, which is ads for the longer form videos. Then there are short feed ads, which is kind of calculated from the revenue pool from the short ads. There's also membership that people can sign up with. There are also basically super chats and super stickers that can be sent to you through comments or chat if you're doing live streams, which you probably will not be doing since you have a faceless channel. There is also Brand Connect, which basically allows you to find monetization directly through YouTube. And there is also option to add your own shop. All those things can be done through a YouTube Partner Program. So it's not just ads, but that's not all. You should not focus only on that because you require a few things in order to gain access to that. And you also need to be in constant good standing with YouTube. But there are also other ways to make money from the faceless YouTube channels that does not even require you to have a partner program or anything else for that matter. So all you need to do, all you need to have is just have a YouTube channel and just have some views. And by alternative methods, it can be by selling your own merch, selling your own digital products, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships and partnerships. This is where true money lies. And also, in order to maximize your profit, you need to understand your demographics, meaning that who is watching you and from where. Because based on the language of the content that you will create, you're going to have far more or far less income from monetization. But usually what I suggest to do is just create your content in English. Since you will be using AI to create the content anyways, it's just safest bet for as many viewers as possible for as high revenue income as possible. But there is also one more thing that is extremely important, and this is a balancing viewer experience with monetization. Your video should not be filled up with ads. Your video should not be filled up with sponsorships, because otherwise people will just stop watching you. Balancing of monetization and viewer experience is incredibly important. You need to have far more viewer experience positive one than just trying to sell something. That's just extremely important, and many people are overlooking this because nobody likes to be sold a lot of things in front of them, especially if they're not interested in those things. You need to understand perfectly what your viewer wants, why they're watching your videos, and if you can sell them something, what you can sell them, and why you think that they will buy. And anything that you'll promote and anything that will generate your revenue should solve some problems. And those should be the problems that your viewers have, where they will gladly pay you to solve those problems. You should not be just making money for the sake of making money. You should actually be solving some issues. And those issues should be solved through your videos or the products that you are selling. No matter whether it's a course, a t-shirt, or ad for the sponsor, it should be beneficial for your viewers. The earlier you will understand this, the better it will be for you, and eventually more you will earn. Do not break the trust with your viewers just to make a quick buck. It is not worth it. It is never worth it. So let's start talking about monetization strategies, and in the next lecture, we're going to focus on ad revenues and how to maximize ad revenues from YouTube Partner Program. So I'm going to see you in the next lecture. Take care.